If the volume up or volume down button is not working on your iPhone, those physical buttons, I'm going to walk you through a number of steps to definitely get that fixed without having to take it into an Apple store and have them run diagnostics. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics midway down. Now, the first thing and the easiest thing to do is you can see change with buttons for ringtones and alerts. So if I have this turned off, then the buttons won't work to change that volume on my iPhone for the ringer. If I turn this on, it will change the volume for the ringer. You can see it's changing this little slider here. However, if this doesn't work for you, or if that's not what you mean, then there are a couple other places that we can look to fix this. Let's go back to the beginning of your settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. A lot of times just updating your software will fix this issue because a lot of times this is a bug in iOS. However, if that doesn't fix it, let's tap the back arrow, scroll down to the bottom, and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, just select the Reset button, and you can see a lot of different options to reset. We're going to choose that first option, Reset All Settings. This will reset all of the settings, including the settings that control the buttons, those physical buttons on your iPhone. Keep in mind, this will remove all of your saved passwords for Wi-Fi, so you just have to reconnect it to Wi-Fi, etc. So enter in that, and you should find that those buttons are working. However, if they're still not working for you, normally I would say to restart your phone by pressing the volume up and side button, but that won't work for you. So instead, let's tap on the Settings app, tap on General midway down, and then scroll down to the bottom and just tap on the Shut Down button. Essentially, this will turn your phone off and then turn it back on again. The next thing I would recommend doing if it's still running into issues is flip your phone on the side and look at these physical buttons. You might need to potentially remove the iPhone case, because if you have an iPhone case that is damaged, potentially you're not able to press those buttons because the case is preventing you from doing that. So remove the case and clean around these areas to see if that fixes the buttons. If you go through all of these steps and the buttons are still not working, unfortunately at that point, I do think you need to take it into Apple and have them run some diagnostics to see if it's a hardware issue with those physical buttons. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one. And thanks for watching.